So let's take a look at this GCSE Maths Grade 9 checklist. So these are some of the topics that you need to know to secure that Grade 9. And the last topic that we're going through is quadratic simultaneous equations. So let's take a look at a GCSE Maths example of what one of these questions would look like. So we need to solve x squared add y squared equals 34 and x minus y equals 2. Now we'll always get a linear equation here, which is one without the square terms. Let's rearrange it to find a value of x in terms of y. Well, we can see here that x must equal y plus 2. Now we've got that, we can input this into the top equation, so we only have y terms. So we get y plus 2 squared and y squared equals 34. Let's go ahead and expand this out. So we've got y plus 2 times by y plus 2, add y squared equaling 34. And if we expand out these double brackets, we get y squared, add 2y, add 4, add y squared equals 34. And adding like terms now, we're going to be ending up with 2y squared, add 4y, add 4 equals 34. We now want to make sure all of the terms are on one side of this equation. So we want to remove 34 from the other side. So we're going to subtract 34, which means we need to do the same over here. So we're left with 2y squared add 4y minus 30 equals 0. Now to solve this, we can go ahead and divide this whole equation by 2 to make it a bit simpler. So we're left with y squared add 2y minus 15 equals 0. At this stage, we just need to factorise. So we're looking for a factor pair of minus 15 that adds together to give us our 2. And we can see that's going to be positive 5 and minus 3. So we're going to have y plus 5 in one bracket and y minus 3 in the other bracket. As this equals 0, we know either this bracket must equal 0, so y has a value of minus 5, or this bracket equals 0, so y has a value of 3. Now we've found the two y values, we now must find the two x values, and we know x equals y plus 2. So in this case, x is going to equal minus 3, or in this case, x equals 5. So the two sets of solutions are here.